Good day, sir. I am Saranya, daughter of Muthukumaran. My matric number is H18A0554. Today, I am here to talk about an issue that is related to tourism industry and also hospitality industry. The issue is about government's instruction in turn a hotel into a quarantine center in Malaysia. Since the pandemic COVID-19 is increasing day by day rapidly, the government take a decision to close all the entrance border in Malaysia as a way to prevent the entrance of tourists from other country to Malaysia. The government also picked some of the hotels from all the states in Malaysia and approved it as a quarantine center in Malaysia. I am agree with the content because those hotels are now useful for the government as a quarantine centers. Those quarantine centers benefit the travelers and the citizens who back from other countries in preventing the COVID-19 diseases. Indirectly, the quarantine centers help the government in preventing the spread of COVID-19 diseases among the public.
Kita sudah pun menetapkan senarai hotel-hotel yang kita daftarkan. Dan kita akan penuhkan hotel tersebut satu persatu. Jadi bermakna hari ini katakan ada 1,000 yang masuk. Kita akan masukkan mereka di hotel-hotel tersebut yang kita telah pun senaraikan. Kalau dah penuh, kita akan pergi pada next hotel. Jadi soal bagaimana hotel itu dan sebagainya, saya percaya dari segi bilik dan sebagainya, itu maknanya terpulang kepada hotel tersebut. Mungkin yang hotel A lebih baik pada hotel B atau hotel C lebih baik. Itu kita tidak ambil kira dari segi itu, kerana kita hanya hantar kepada hotel yang telah didaftarkan.
Okey, sudah biasa Astro Awani membawakan perkembangan terkini situasi kuarantin dan juga usaha kita membawa pulang rakyat Malaysia dari luar negara dan juga menempatkan mereka di tempat-tempat kuarantin yang disediakan di hotel maupun pusat kuarantin khusus. Dan
based on the video proof, I think that the issue coverage is accurate since the issue is voiced out by the government itself. It is because the government declares 63 additional premises owned by the institution, public sectors and the 5-star hotels as quarantine center in accordance with the Prevention and Control of Infectious Diseases Act 1988. The problem is not be happening in the first place because it was not felt as a necessary to approve any hotel as a quarantine centers since the country is in good condition. But now the problem is forced to be happen since the pandemic COVID-19 is spread all around the world or even in Malaysia. So this is the reason why government approve some of the hotels as quarantine center in Malaysia in a way to prevent the COVID-19 spreadness around Malaysia. The issue could be prevented through some effective planning or more management strategies. For example, the government, especially the health administration, can try to provide quarantine centers at all the hospitals around Malaysia by frontliners, since there is a high chance for people under quarantine to run away from follows the quarantine process since there is less security factors. But overall, the responsibility intention in every individual should be the most effective reason in preventing the COVID-19 spreadness. By follow up this, we can prevent the issue of hotels as a quarantine center in future. Thank you for listening, sir.